to Foresights TV with me, Isma. Southern China is grappling with the aftermath of devastating landslides and severe floods as torrential downpours wreak havoc across Guangdong province. At least 6 people have been injured, with others trapped in the wake of the natural disaster. As the region braces for floods described as once in a century, emergency response efforts are underway to mitigate the impact and assist affected communities. Let's delve more into what triggered the flood. Here's a special report from Foresights TV. Torrential rains have led to swollen rivers in the Pearl River Delta and triggered landslides in mountainous areas. State media reported that 6 villages in the northern Guangdong town of Jianwang have been affected by landslides, leaving people trapped amidst the destruction. Airlifts have been conducted to evacuate injured individuals to safety, while emergency workers race against time to restore communication and provide assistance to those in need. The Pearl River Delta, known as China's manufacturing hub and densely populated region, faces unprecedented challenges as flood waters inundate towns and threaten livelihoods. A Level 2 emergency response has been activated, reflecting the severity of the situation. Weather alerts have been issued across central Guangdong, with major storms forecasted along coastal areas. The impact of heavy precipitation is expected to result in floods of historic proportions, with water levels reaching up to 5.8 meters above warning limits. The unfolding natural disaster in southern China underscores the urgent need for robust emergency response measures and climate resilience strategies, with extreme weather events becoming more frequent and intense due to climate change. Concerted efforts are required to mitigate risk and protect vulnerable communities. As authorities continue to mobilize the resource and provide assistance, the resilience of affected area will be tested in the face of ongoing challenges posed by extreme weather phenomena. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Foresights TV with me, Isma.